Mikey. I want to show you this painting by Grant Wood.
This looks like my neighbor, Mrs. Jones.
This painting was done in the 1930s. Isn't it wonderful?
It is, but why doesn't that guy look happy? And why does he have a fork?
Because they are farming their land.
Maybe they could grow some smiles.
It's a wonderful painting. Come along. Look, a Vincent van Gogh self-portrait.
What's a self-portrait?
Well, Mikey, the artist made a painting of himself.
No way. You're telling me this guy did the first selfie?
Kind of. You can use a mirror at home to help paint yourself.
I'm learning so much about art. Thank you for teaching me, Betty.
You're welcome, Mikey. Now let's go. This is by American painter Andrew Wyeth.
Looks like a lady lying in the grass with her house at the top of a hill.
This painting is called Christina's World. And yes, that's Christina.
Me and Artie could play a game of baseball in that field.
Yes, you could. Look how the artist painted each blade of grass with separate brushstrokes.
That must have taken him so long. By the time he finished, he probably had to cut the grass.
I suppose. Now come, let's head to the Gallery Cafe.